Today we're featuring a digital ultrasonic cleaner. So this actually has several different uses, from jewelry to glasses, coins, anything of that nature. There's quite a bit of things you can use it for. It has a really large tank, so that means that you can fit a CD in there, DVD, or sunglasses, your reading glasses, anything like that. So here we have the main unit. You also get a large basket to put some of the smaller items in, such as jewelry or coins, things of that nature. It also comes with the little stand here. If you are going to do DVDs, you just put it on this stand. That way it won't get scratched or anything like that. Because how ultrasonic cleaners work, millions of bubbles are generated by high frequency vibrations, and so it creates these air bubbles that kind of burst into the liquid, and that's how it kind of shakes off the debris. So, and then this is a watch stand, so very easy. I'll show you how to do that. And I was really impressed actually that it actually came with a stand for your watches, because not all units do that, so that was pretty nice. So all you're gonna do is put the wristband here so your watch gets nice and clean but is protected and safe. And because the vibration frequencies are so high, you don't want to just put things in there and then have them slide around, because that will scratch your items. Now, because of the way an ultrasonic cleaner works, you don't need to put any cleaning solution in there. So if you tend to be kind of sensitive to different cleaners and things like that, this is great for you because you don't have to use that. Also, after you want to let your things dry off, some you need to, dry with a paper towel, but then I recommend using kind of a Velvet cloth or a lint-free cloth, especially if you're doing glasses or some of your jewelry. You want to make sure that it gets polished up really nice. So as you can see, plugged it in, and if you see this 3-minute mark, you've got several different settings that you can use. The default time is 180 seconds or 3 minutes. Then you have 300 seconds or 5 minutes, 8 minutes, or quick 1.5 minutes, or for things that are really soiled like coins and things like that, there's a setting for 10 minutes. So that helps if you want to just clean something really quickly. You can do that for 1.5 minutes, or if you need something that needs a little bit more time, you have that 10-minute extended period. What you want to do is, there's a minimum fill line and a maximum. Make sure that you do not fill it up past that line. So I'm just going to put some water in it. You can just use tap water. You don't have to use distilled or anything like that. And I'm gonna put some jewelry, a coin in there. Some necklaces here. Gently put it in there. Close the top. And the good thing is it has a see-through top. That means you'll be able to see kind of what's going on. So this is really easy to operate. So what you want to do is plug it in, open the cover, put things in your basket. You fill the tank, and then what you want to do is you select your desired time. So you can go from that 3-minute mark to 5 minutes, 8 minutes, 1.5 minutes, and 10 minutes. So it has all that programmed in there. You don't need to do that. So when your timer counts down from 0, the cleaning process will stop automatically. So you don't have to worry about that. It will show 0, 0, 0. If you need to end the process at any time, you just click the on-off button. So what I'm going to do is just set this to a quick 1.5 minute, and then we'll pull out the jewelry and see how it looks. And I'm just going to get a paper towel ready. So when you're done using this, you really want to make sure that you dump the tank out by carefully just tipping it and letting the water flow out from just one side here. Be really careful that you don't get the back of it or the cord wet or anything like that. So see how it's counting down here? That tells you that you have 33 seconds left, which is really nice. This is really nice, this ultrasonic cleaner. It's one of the easier ones that I've seen, but also I really like the size because you can really do some larger things. I'll show you the eyeglasses, how those fit. I will show you a DVD, CD-ROM that it does fit that also. And now we're done, and it will show 000. So let's open the lid. Let's get these things out. Wow, looks really good. Ring, definitely more shiny. And didn't really do a bad job on this coin. Now, I would probably put this in for 10 minutes if you're doing that. So now I'm just going to show you that you can put your eyeglasses in there. Now, what you want to do if you're doing eyeglasses or a watch or a CD, they can get scratched. So only do one separately. You don't want to put them all in because that vibration will cause little mini scratches and stuff like that, and you don't want to do that. So now we're just going to do a minute 30 again, and we'll pull out the glasses. Although it probably won't take that long to even get these really clean because it's so efficient. So I'm just going to stop it there. And I want to show you how the CD works. So you'll want to put it on there, and luckily this stand will make sure that you don't scratch anything in the process. So I'm just going to continue. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a watch. And again, I love that they include the watch stand. Very easy way to make sure that none of your items get scratched. This is a really phenomenal ultrasonic cleaner. So if you're looking for something like this is a really great option to do that. And thank you to the brand for sending this. I really appreciate it. And this just is a really great item. So check it out. And if you're looking for an ultrasonic cleaner, this is very easy. It has a really good sized tank, works well. So check it out.